Real hot girl shit. Real hot girl shit. Hi guys, and Karibisana to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jambi Njoroge. Welcome to my little space. So today we are doing this easy, very easy protective style. So yeah, let's get to it. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so this is the hair that we're going to be using. This is Darling in the number 30, and I'm going to be using 2 packs of the hair. And so I went ahead and just sectioned my hair off camera, and I used rubber band to hold them into position. Now I'm just going to go ahead and just separate the piece of hair that I want to be working with. So it's not too big, but also it's not too small. It's like a medium sized, so that's what I'll be using. So I went ahead and just pulled out the first section. As you can see, it already has a rubber band, so I'm going to be using my crochet hook, and I'm going to use that to help me pass the braid through the hair. As you can see, that's what I'm doing, and I'm just going to go ahead and pull it through and just kind of make sure that it is even in size. And then once I'm done, I'm going to start separating both my hair and the braiding hair into 3 parts. So I section the braiding hair into 3 parts, and then I also section my hair into 3 parts, and then I ensure that how will I explain this? I ensure that each part, so you see the braiding sections are in 3, then the hair is also going to be in 3 parts. So this means that now I have 3 parts, and each 3 part has both a braid and hair. I hope that makes sense. And then I'm going to start braiding going downwards, and imagine that's it, as simple as that. I think this is like the easiest braiding hack for people who do not know how to braid. I think this is kind of like the best way for you to learn how to braid, because it's so easy and so simple. And so yes, I'm just going to go ahead and braid all the way down, but I will not because I want it to have curly ends, I'm not going to braid all the way until the very bottom. I'm going to leave a little bit of hair down there. I'm going to show you what the exact amount of hair that I'll be leaving out. So this is the hair that I'm going to be leaving out, and I'm going to be curling that section just so that it can be a little bit curly. Let's repeat the process again just so that you can get it. I'm going to use a crochet hook to pass the braiding hair through my own hair, and then once I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of levelize it and make sure it's equal. Then I'm going to section my hair into 2, and I'm going to pull it like that. Once I pull it like that, it allows for that section to be tighter, and then I'm going to section both my hair and the braiding hair into 3 parts. So that means that each part has both braiding hair and my own hair, and then I'm going to start braiding going downwards, and you are absolutely done. That is it. So simple, so quick. Like I said, this is one of the best hairstyles. This is one of the best braiding methods for people who do not know how to braid. So I went ahead and just finished that section, and I'm going to go ahead and start on the other sections. Don't worry if you've not gotten the gist of it. We are going to do it once again. Once we get to the front, I'm going to show you again in detail, but basically that is the process. You just use your crochet hook to pass the hair through, and then you section your hair into 3 parts such that each part has both the braiding hair and your natural hair, and then now you're going to start braiding going downwards, and that is the method that we are using all through. So I'm going to go ahead and just repeat the process one last time just so that you can get the gist of it. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to grab my crochet hook, and I'm going to pull the hair through using a crochet hook. So I went ahead and just pulled it through, and then I'm going to levelize it, and then I separate my hair into 2 and pull it apart, and this helps that section to be tighter. Then I'm going to separate my hair into 3 sections, and I'm also going to separate the braiding hair into 3 sections and ensure that each section has both the braiding hair and my natural hair. And then now once I do that, I'm going to start braiding going downwards, and that is it, as simple as that. But I will not braid until until the very end. I'm going to leave a small section of hair just so that we can be able to apply the palm rods and it can have those curly ends. And so yeah, this is the process that I was using. This hairstyle would have turned out neater if I had straightened my hair before I did this hairstyle, but I didn't. But also I didn't want it to be too neat. It was just a protective style for a couple of days, so I wasn't like entirely obsessed with how neat it was. So that's why I did straighten my hair. But you can straighten your hair if you want yours to be straighter. So I went ahead and just let that sit for a while, and this is what we have currently. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab my palm roots, and I'm going to just twirl them like that. I'm going to twirl the hair on the palm roots, and I'll just repeat the process until I have done this on all the braids. In total, I had about I think 16 or 18, 16 to 18 braids, just because I had 4 sections and each section had about 4 braids. So yes, so I'm just going to go ahead and just finish this entire process, and then once I'm done, I went ahead and just grabbed a towel, and then now I'm going to grab my hot water, and I'm just dipping the hair into the hot water. That is my hot water in that little container, and this just helps the braids to curl. And then I'm just going to let them soak and just kind of sit in for a little bit, and then once for like, I don't know, 5 minutes, I guess, for around 5 minutes. And then once I was done, I just went ahead and just pulled them out. And you have to be very careful when you're dealing with hot water. You don't want to burn yourself. So yeah, after I allowed it to sit, I'm just going to go ahead and just unravel those ones. And once I unraveled them, they came out with this nice beautiful curly ends that I absolutely love. Of course, you can just skip this step and just let it be straight like it usually would, but I just wanted to have like curly braids, so that's why we did the section. And that is it, guys. We are absolutely done. This is a final look, my loves. I think it turned out so cute. It's such an easy protective style that you can do anytime, that anybody can do. Even if you don't know how to braid, this is the braiding method for you. So yeah, if you do try this braiding method, please let me know. I'd love to see it. But yes, this is the final look. That was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.